think this is so easy. They have given a nice clip. You tell me, is it tight for you or it is good for you? Is it good for you? So now we are moving on to the second outfit. ये एक बहुत ही pretty outfit है and as I told you earlier also इसमें जो ये glitters हैं they are so pretty and I love the detailing. You know, this belt is so pretty and this is a gorgeous outfit and Nitya is doing so well, so we decided कि हम second outfit ये रखेंगे उसके लिए and I'm going with a very minimal setup. We are just going to have this grey backdrop so that dress थोड़ी उठ के आए, you know, because I really want that this photo shoot to be very minimal in terms of props. I'm going to be using only this backdrop and along with that this prop that is, you know, for sitting and that's it. Very simple minimal. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि you know setup पे props इतने ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं that baby पे focus नहीं रहता. So that's what I you know wanted, that you know we do this kind of a shoot जहाँ पे the focus is there on the baby and not on anything else. So yes, we are excited and look at this. Pretty, isn't it? Okay, so ready to shoot now and we'll take you behind the scenes as usual. Wow, I think this is so easy. They have given a nice clip. You tell me, is it tight for you or it is good for you? Is it good for you or is it tight for you?
Good.
It's good.
Dance, make it twirl and dance. Twirl.
Keep looking at me.
Okay. You twirl.
Okay, Nitya, you but have to start keep looking or at
Look
me.
in the camera. Look in the camera.
This, see?
The hot one was good. The hot one was good.
Which one?
The hot pink one.
Wait, I need to change the position of this because it's moving when you're twirling. No, it's moving. I have to fix it. Okay, Nitya, can I see how many teeth you have? Can you show me your
He doesn't
teeth
have
actually?
any. He look up and smile. Honey,
Smile.
that's not the way, Nitya.
Nitya, smile.
Nitya.
Are you doing yoga like jungle cubs?
Nitya,
They
what
teach
happened?
you?
Look here, smile.
Smile, Nitya.
Look here. and smile.
Wow. Okay, and how about standing straight with your both legs together? How about that? Yeah, like jungle cubs you want to do, na? They teach you this at jungle cubs, na? Avir also tells me. Okay, you're balancing so nicely, Nitya.
I need
Yes. Yeah, you support using it as a support, just like I thought. Okay, why don't you put your both legs down? Wow, Nitya. Nitya for
It is
sitting.
okay if this my dress covers.
Yeah, it's perfectly fine. And why don't you smile? Lovely! Wow, Nitya!
Normal,
Lovely.
normal. Just keep it normal on your
Nice.
hands. Hands again on your thighs.
Wow! Look at that! What is this? What is Nitya doing? Like Elsa.
Mom,
Beautiful.
why my clip is here, not here?
Your clip should be here because otherwise it comes forward. Then it twirls on its own. So we have to make sure it doesn't move. See, now it's not moving. It's a magic fix. So we put it on that side. If it's toppling, if it's jumping.
You will also go now.
You want me also to come? What will we play there?
Play.
Play? What is your favorite play at our house?
Kitty.
Clay.
Clay! Wow, you want to do clay modeling. Say bye-bye. Thank you so much. Say thank you first. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hi.
You had fun? Did you have fun, Nitya? Huh?
Not now.
Not now. Earlier, with that hard dress, did you have fun? Wow, you did your twirl also very well.
With the hard.
So thank you so much everybody for watching our video, and I really hope you liked it. If you liked it, do comment below and share it, and subscribe to our channel Amrita Wu Photography. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time again very soon. Bye bye and take care.